back with another page in my 2018 Coffee Traveler's Notebook. So this is just a traveler's notebook that I'm doing for fun, just to document my coffee adventures throughout the year. This is a photo from May, and I have the April of 2019 Citrus Twist Kit, Life Crafted kit called Make It a Venti, which is all about coffee, and it is perfect for documenting in this notebook. So I am just going to put you on fast forward and get to work. So the Make It a Venti kit had a 3x8 kind of bookmark or card in it, and I really wanted to use it because I really liked the way the black and white worked with the mug in my photo. And so I decided to layer it behind my photo, and then I started to look at the stamp set from this month. This is the Daily Grind stamp set, and it has a stamp on it that says, "I don't need an inspirational quote, I need coffee." And I thought that was kind of perfect, since the 3x8 card has an inspirational quote on the top, and I have a cup that says nope. So I am going to end up repeat stamping that stamp on this page. So I have a sheet of paper that's cut to the size of my traveler's notebook insert page, and I'm going to use some gray ink because I thought black would just stand out, that is, a little bit too much. So I have some clean slate Studio Calico ink, and I'm just going to repeat stamp that stamp all over this page. And I'm not super careful about keeping it straight. It ends up a little bit slanted, but that's fine with me. I'm just going to go with it. And I don't make you watch the whole thing, but I wanted to show you kind of how I started. So I just start at the top, and then I alternate and do one stamp a little bit below, and then I go back in and fill in above and below that. So that's how I'm going to do this whole page. It didn't take a terribly long time, but it did take some time. So I have sped this up for you. And once I have it all stamped out, then I can adhere that to the right side of my page, and that's all I'm going to do on that side. So to finish off the left side, I decided to trim down the 3x8 card just a little bit. It was the exact size of my notebook, and I wanted there to be some white space above and below it, so I just trimmed about 1/2 inch off of one end, and then I can adhere my photo to that, and I do that just a little bit off center. I figure I'm going to want to embellish on the right side, so I just off-centered that photo just a little bit to the right, and then I can adhere all the rest of it down. And then this is just about going to be it for the page. I do add a couple puffy stickers because they're gorgeous and I can't resist adding them, and I do end up adding another little stamp and a date stamp as well. So this is a super short layout, super short video. It came together super quick, but I really like how it turned out, and I love the kind of monochromatic look that the whole thing has. So thank you so much for watching. There are close-up photos at the end so you can see the finished layout, and there are links in the description to everything I've used here. I hope you found some inspiration, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you back here soon.